which of the following is equivalent to 2x squared into x plus 3 negative 2x negative 6 divided by x squared plus 2x negative 3 for all values of x for which both expressions are defined. So we have 5 options here. So what we're told to do in this question is we're told to find which of them, that is after you simplify the algebraic expression here, which of them is going to be your final answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite the algebraic expression we have here. I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to write it here. So what you have is you have 2x squared into x plus 3 negative 2x negative 6 divided by x squared plus 2x negative 3. So this is what you obtain. Now, to be able to simplify this, all I need to do is I have to factorize both the numerator and the denominator. So that's what I'm going to do. So to simplify that, I'm going to start by first simplifying the denominator. Now what we have in the denominator is x squared plus 2x negative 3. So you have x squared plus 2x negative 3. Now to factorize this, so you recall your factorization method. So when you factorize this, you should obtain, you have x squared plus 3x negative x negative 3, because 3x and 3 and negative 1 is numbers you need. And then this is going to give you x into x plus 3 negative 1, and this into x plus 3. So x plus 3 is common, so what you have is x negative 1 and x plus 3. So anyway, we have obtained the factorization of x squared plus 2x negative 3 as this. So we can then go ahead. So what we have in the bottom is just going to be x negative 1 into x plus 3. Now you might begin to wonder, why do I have to factorize the denominator? Now my aim is that I'm trying to see if the numerator and the denominator have common factors. Now if they have common factors, it is only possible for me to cross out the common factors only when or after both the numerator and the denominator have been completely factorized. So this is the complete factorization of the denominator. So let me go ahead and see if I can break the numerator down. So now what you observe here is the left hand side here is you have 2x squared into x plus 3. And then what you observe in the right hand side, it's possible to factorize this because negative 2 is common here. So you can see negative 2 is common here. So what I'm going to write is, so you have 2x squared. Let me push this. So you have 2x squared into, so you have x plus 3. Then since negative 2 is common here, you have negative 2 into, so negative 2 into negative 2x, you're going to have x, then plus, so you have a negative sign out, so the sign in the middle here changes because negative times positive is going to give you negative. Then you have 3. So what you observe here is this is x plus 3, this is x plus 3, so x plus 3 is common, so you can bring x plus 3 out, so leaving 2x squared negative 2 divided by x negative 1 and then x plus 3. This is what you obtain. Now from what we see here, you'd also observe that x plus 3 and x plus 3 they cross out, so what you obtain, you're going to be left with 2x squared negative 2 divided by x negative 1. This is what you're going to be left with. So we continue. So what you have here is 2 is common, so you have 2 into x squared negative 1 divided by x negative 1. This is what you obtain. And then you also recall the difference of two squares. So we said if you have a squared negative b squared, we said this is going to give you a negative b multiplied by a plus b. So we know this. So what you have here, this is the same thing as 1 squared. So you have x squared negative 1 squared. So this is just going to be x negative 1 multiplied by x plus 1. So I'm going to apply that here. So what we're going to have here is going to be 2 into x negative 1 times x plus 1 divided by the denominator, which is x negative 1. So what you observe is this x negative 1 crosses x negative 1. So our final answer is just going to be, so you're left with 2 times x plus 1. So this is our final answer, 2 times x plus 1. So 2 times x plus 1 is the same thing as 2x plus 2. So, and this is going to be our final answer, 2x plus 2. Now that's the solution of this problem here. So that completes the problem. Thanks for watching.